Automation has evolved from simple scripts to highly intelligent AI-driven systems that can handle complex decision-making, predict outcomes, and personalize interactions. With the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, generative AI, Gen AI, and AI agents, businesses and individuals can now automate anything and everything, from customer support and content creation to business process automation and personalized recommendations. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass, LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Automation has come a long way from simple scripts to AI-driven systems. These systems now handle complex decisions, predict outcomes, and personalize interactions, transforming how we automate tasks. AI learns from data, improving over time without human intervention. This shift from rule-based to AI-powered automation allows for more intelligent and adaptable systems. AI automates business processes, reducing errors and boosting efficiency. From document processing to supply chain management, AI streamlines operations across industries. AI-driven customer support, like chatbots, provides instant assistance, enhancing user experience. In marketing, AI creates personalized strategies, while in IT, it optimizes operations. AI agents autonomously handle complex workflows, adapting in real time. Multi-agent systems collaborate to tackle larger challenges, revolutionizing industries with AI-powered decision-making tools. These agents are the future, offering intelligent, self-learning systems that meet evolving needs, paving the way for unprecedented automation capabilities. Identify repetitive tasks ripe for automation. Choose the right AI tools and platforms and integrate them into existing workflows to optimize performance continuously. By embracing AI-powered automation, you'll enhance efficiency and future-proof your operations. Start today and stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving landscape.